Hi, this is Nathan Tintle, and we're going to talk about the organ donation example from the Introduction to Statistical Investigations textbook. Did you know that most Americans, some surveys have said about 85%, approve of organ donations in principle, but only about 38% of licensed drivers are organ donors? Most states have their organ donation registries tied to your driver's license, so that when you renew or obtain your driver's license for the first time, you have to indicate if you wish to be an organ donor. So researchers have asked, is the way that we ask the question about whether or not to be an organ donor on people's driver's license renewal forms, is that what's impacting participation rates? Recently, researchers did a study where they recruited 161 people to participate in a study looking at exactly this question, whether the phrasing of questions about organ donation was impacting people's participation rates. These 161 individuals were randomly assigned to one of three groups. The first group we're going to call the opt-in group. People who are in the opt-in group received a pretend driver's license renewal form that said, check here if you wish to be an organ donor. The opt-out group received a similar version of that pretend driver's license application, but the question was, check here if you do not wish to be an organ donor. The last group had a slightly different version of the application. On their and this neutral group, they were asked, do you wish to be an organ donor? Check one, either yes or no. So what were the findings from this study? Well, the researchers found that the opt-in group was less likely to agree to be organ donors. So the researchers recommended that states should change the way they ask people to be organ donors on their driver's license application forms. Why did the researchers make such a recommendation? Well, additional videos where we look at some of the learning goals from this section will continue the discussion of this example and answer that question and more.